Hello everyone, this is Mohammed. I'm a Java trainer in JSpiders Punjagutta. Here we got a recently placed student Sneha, and she will introduce herself.
Hi sir. Hi everyone. Myself Sneha. I'm from B.TECH College of Engineering and Technology, specialization on computer science in the year of 2023 passed out student.
When you have joined here?
It's been 1 year I have joined in the JSpiders.
Okay, how you got to know about this initiative?
Previously my sister has joined in the JSpiders. As of now, I want to take a Java full stack, so I have joined in JSpiders.
So with the reference of your sister, you
Yes.
got joined here. Okay, very good. So it's been 1 year. It means you have finished complete Java full
Yes.
stack. Java full stack you have done. Okay, and the project is also completed.
Yes, I like project also.
Live project also completed. Very good. So you have finished the entire semester. So it means you have gained complete knowledge of Java full stack.
Yes.
Okay, so apart from this, along with this, so you have given presentations.
Yes, sir. Daily.
Daily you have given presentation. How these presentations help you?
Apart from the technical skills, I have attended many grooming classes and presentation classes. Presentation classes build up my confidence to present myself in front of the everyone. So it helps us to more to crack their interview confidence level. I have built up the confidence levels more because of the presentation classes.
Very good. Okay, aptitude?
I did not attend the aptitude training also.
Not yet. Okay, very good. And grooming sessions?
I have attended more interviews. Every interview I have attended grooming classes. In every grooming classes I have learned more technical knowledge in the grooming classes as well.
Very good. Okay. So finally got placed after 1 year.
Yes, sir.
Happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.